Ethereum value equivalent to $2042 a coin. The present reach. $2,021, $2,052. The earlier day close. $2,029. The change was plus 13, plus 0.64%. Converse rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 ETH to United States dollars forecasts for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $2027. Greatest cost $2,326, least cost $1,818. The normal for the month $2,050. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,027, change for December 0.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2027. Greatest cost $2,357, least cost $2,027. The normal for the month $2,154. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,203, change for January 8.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Before all else, cost at $2203. Most extreme cost $2,394, least cost $2,080. The normal for the month $2,229. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,237, change for February 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $2237. Most extreme cost $2,237, least cost $1,844. The normal for the month $2,075. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,983, change for spring 11.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $1,983. Most extreme cost $2,037, least cost $1,771. The normal for the month $1,924. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,904, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at $1,904. Greatest cost $2,101, least cost $1,827. The normal for the month $1,949. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,964, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $1,964. Most extreme cost $2,106, least cost $1,830. The normal for the month $1,967. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,968, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $1,968. Greatest cost $2,161, least cost $1,879. The normal for the month $2,007. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,020, change for July 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2020. Greatest cost $2,459, least cost $2,020. The normal for the month $2,199. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,298, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $2298. Most extreme cost $2,487, least cost $2,161. The normal for the month $2,318. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,324, change for September 1.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Initially cost at $2324. Most extreme cost $2,885, least cost $2,324. The normal for the month $2,557. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,696, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $2696. Greatest cost $2,696, least cost $2,320. The normal for the month $2,552. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,495, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $1,254. Most extreme cost $1,557, least cost $1,254. The normal for the month $1,380. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,455, change for January 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else cost at $1,455. Most extreme cost $1,455, least cost $1,182. The normal for the month $1,341. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,271, change for February 12.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $1,271. Greatest cost $1,577, least cost $1,271. The normal for the month $1,398. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,474, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $1,474. Greatest cost $1,752, least cost $1,474. The normal for the month $1,584. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,637, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $1,637. Most extreme cost $1,637, least cost $1,280. The normal for the month $1,483. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,376, change for May 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. At the outset cost at $1,376. Most extreme cost $1,436, least cost $1,248. The normal for the month $1,351. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,342, change for June 2.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $1,342. Greatest cost $1,666, least cost $1,342. The normal for the month $1,477. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,557, change for